Hi everyone. Today we are going to start the May-June 2024 Paper 2, question number 3, Rectification of Errors and Suspense Account topic. In this topic, we are going to study the clear and detailed explanation about the question. Let's get started. Question number 3. Akhil prepared his trial balance at 29 February 2024. The total of the debit side was 83,640 and the total of the credit side was 84,025. Akhil later discovered the following errors. First error, the total of the sales journal for January 2024 $3,416 had been credited to the sales return account. Second one, a direct debit for insurance 115 had been credited to both the bank account and the insurance account. Third one, discount allowed $47 had been credited to the account of discount received. Fourth one, a payment for office equipment $52 had been debited to the stationery account. Then fifth one, the purchase journal for February had been overcast by 90. So for these transaction, we have to make the rectification of errors journal entry. Okay, let's get started. Before that, they had asked about state which business document it shows when the direct debit for insurance was paid. So insurance paid will be in the bank statement. Bank statement, you know the business documents, right? First will be invoices, debit note, credit note, and statement of account. Okay, these are the four main documents, right? In this, direct debit means the money directly debited from the bank for the insurance amount. So it will be in the bank statement. Then which of the error is listed in 1 to 5 above is an error of principle. Here 1 to 5, which is the errors of principle? This one. Payment of office equipment $52 had been debited to the stationery account. So errors of principle is error 4. Yeah. Let's start with the question number 1. So I have already made the workings for you. Just one by one we can check. Before starting this question, Akhil prepared his trial balance 29 February 2024. The total of the debit side was 83,640. 83,640 minus, let's see, here debit side was 83,640. Trial balance, debit side is 83,640. Credit side is 84,025. That differences will be your suspense account opening balance. Obviously, debit side differences will come because debit side amount is very less. So if you minus, the differences figure will be 372, I guess. Sorry, 385. So we have to write the suspense account debit side 385. Okay, this is the first item. Debit side 385. We have to record it. Next one. Akhil later discovered the following errors. First error. Yeah, I made the entries. Yeah. First error. The total of the sales journal for January 2024 $3,416 had been credited to the sales written account. Okay, always while reading, you have to identify which are the main two accounts here. So sales journal means it's credit sales. All the sales will be credit balance. You have to identify this. Then had been credited to the sales written account. See, sales written is debit balance. Okay. So sales return is debit balance. Now actual entry. See, up to here we have to make the actual entry. Okay, this is how I used to give the instruction to our student to make them understand the transaction with easy workings. Yeah, actual entry means this is the entry they're supposed to do. Total sales journal for January 2024 $3416. That means sales credit balances to whom they sold. Sales journal means credit sales. So customer. The business sold goods to credit customer. For that journal entry, trade receivable debit, sales is credit. Then what happened next? The amount 3416 wrong entry has been credited to the sales return account. See here credited. Credited to the sales return account. Trade receivable no changes. No trade receivable no changes. Just cut that. So the error mainly they did in the credit side. Write opposite entry. Sales return, please write opposite. Sales return account debit, then main account sales give the same place. So your rectification entry will be sales return account is debit, sales account is credit. So this amount please record in the journal. Please journal entries to correct 1 to 3 only. Okay, 1 to 3 only. Narratives are not required. Okay, no need. See, first one, sales return is debited, sales credited. First one, what we did, this one, sales return debit, sales credited. Sales return debit, sales credited. Okay. Then we are moving to the second question. Direct debit for insurance 115 had been credited both the bank account and the insurance account. Okay, let's see. Up to here, a direct debit for insurance 115. So the what is the actual entry? Insurance is expenses, no? So debit balances. Insurance debited 115. Direct debit means from bank. Bank will reduce, no? So bank credit 115. Then what is the wrong entry here? Had been credited both the bank account already credited, no changes. Bank here it will come, no changes, credited. Bank credited, I agreed. And the insurance account, see both the bank and insurance account. See insurance, if credited means it's understated. So affected only one account. Remember, if only one side error means there will be a suspense account. Here question mark means suspense. So insurance here decrease, we have to correct it. So insurance we have to write opposite side. That means credit, we are supposed to write debit because we have to increase it. Then this question mark will be suspense account. Okay, so please transfer the second transaction rectification entry to the general journal. Insurance account debit, suspense will be ready 230, 230. Got it? Yeah. So let's move to the third question. Discount allowed 47 had been credited to the account for discount received. See, discount allowed is expenses, debit balances. Discount received is income, credit balances. Let's see the entry. Remember, one is expenses account, another income account. Okay. So discount allowed debit balance. While giving the discount, the business, cash or bank will decrease. So this is the actual entry. What is the wrong entry? Had been credited to the account for discount received. See here. This is the wrong entry. Then debit entry we don't know. So that's why question mark. So discount received first we have to correct it. Yeah. Discount received we have to debit with the 47. Then the main entry is discount allowed. That is also debited. Give the same place. Discount allowed. Keep it same place. Discount receives they made error. We corrected. Now credit entry. Okay. So which is the credit entry? Suspense account. Suspense will come credit. 47 plus 47, 94. So this one we have to transfer to general. Discount allowed debit, discount received debit, 47 plus 47, 94. So these three transactions only you have to record in the book. Prepare the journal entries to correct the error 1 and 3 only. So 1 and 3 we have to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 only. Narratives are not required. Okay, got it? Then let's move to the section C. State why a business state why a balance may remain on the suspense account after errors 1 to 5 have been corrected. Okay, the answer, it shows that all the errors have not yet been found and corrected. Got it? Because only 3 errors we corrected. Still we have more, right? Now, prepare the suspense account, bring down the remaining balance. All the suspense account, you know the suspense account like ledger, no? So we are doing suspense account means insurance year debited. So insurance you have to write credit side. See, 230. Got it? Then here suspense account you are doing both discount allowed and discount received both debited means 47 you have to write credit side. Discount received 47, discount received and allowed 47. Okay, so credit side item is over. Then this differences we already know that the starting itself there was differences. This one debit side there was difference 83,640 minus 84,025 credit side. The differences figure 385 we have to record in the debit side. Okay. Then purchases. Where is the purchases? There is one more transaction right here. Yes. Yeah. Purchase journal for February had been overcast by 90. So purchase journal means debit balance. Okay. So overcast 90. Again debited with the 90. So debit balances account with plus increase it means again 90 added. So now 90 plus 90, 180. Okay. To decrease what you're supposed to do, purchases we have to credit 90, then suspense will be debited with the 90. So purchases credited means you must write in suspense account debit side 90. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to balance. Your debit side is more 385 plus 90, 475. The same amount. Okay. You know the balancing figure, right? This is the balancing. So 475. Then if you minus from year 475 minus 230, 47, 47, the differences figure will be 115. You can, you are having doubt, right? So suspense account normally it will balance both sides. This is a temporary account. But here the question they said, prepare the suspense account, bring down any remaining balance at 1st March 2024. So you must take the balance to carry forward because here carry down is 151. This 151 you have to record here, March 1st. Okay. Next one. Akil dropped profit for the year before the correction of the error 17,420. Yeah, year 17,420. Okay. This is the drop profit format. Okay. Plus and minus. Okay. So error 4 and 5 you have to check. What is error 4 and 5? Yeah. Payment for office equipment 52. Non-current asset, right? This is non-current asset. Had been debited to the stationery account. See, non-current asset amount they added to the expenses. Stationery is the expenses, no? So expenses increase time. What will happen? Expenses increase time. Profit will decrease. Okay. To correct that, what you are supposed to do? Yeah. See, this is the error number 4. 52. 52. What happened? $52 increased. Okay, so increase time profit, what will happen? Decrease. To correct that we have to increase the amount, so that 52 we have to increase it. Did you understood? Here office equipment, they recorded the stationery account. So expenses increase time, obviously profit will decrease. To correct, we have to increase the amount. Okay, so we have to increase the 52. Then purchase journal. Purchases is trading expenses. No, here overcasted. The same way, expenses increase time, profit will decrease. To correct that, we have to increase. That's why both we are adding here. See, plus here also plus. Okay. Then error 2. What is error 2? Error 2 here. A direct debit for insurance 115 had been credited both the bank account and the insurance account. Insurance account is expenses account, right? Expenses is decreased. Okay. Expenses decrease means what will happen? Here, expenses is decreased. Is it? Credited means decreased. Yeah. Now, insurance debited, suspense account credited. Okay. And one more hint I will tell you. In the suspense account, credit side figure. Okay. One more keyword. Suspense account, credit side item. Insurance here 230. No. This one what you're supposed to do? You have to minus. You know the reason, right? 230 insurance. Because direct debit of insurance 115 had been credited to the bank account and the insurance account. So debit balances account, if understate means it will come credit side. Okay, so we have to increase it. Clear? We have to increase it. That's why we are recording here. Then next one, error 3. What happened to error 3? Discount allowed is expenses had been credited to the accounts of discount received account. Okay, so that time what happened? Discount allowed is expenses. No, expenses they recorded here. See here, 47 and 47, 47, 47. So totally these 94 we have to minus it. Suspense account, credit side items minus, debit side is plus in while calculating the drop profit calculation. Got it? Then 52 plus 90, 142. Then 230 plus 94, 324. Okay, so 142 minus 324, you will get minus figure 182. 17,420 minus 182, the correct figure will be 17,238. Then you can ask why this 90 we are not recording. The reason here, this is non-current asset. Non-current asset. Okay. So non-current asset we will not record in the income statement. That's why we are ignoring this transaction in the suspense account. Okay. I hope you understood the calculation. Okay. So remember rectification of errors. There are 6 type. Okay. That is keyword is hope code. Hope core. Hope core is enough. Hope core means commission, omission, principal, compensating error, original entry, and reversal. Okay. So next class I will take you little detail about errors with the theory. Okay. Some of the student they asked me they need more clarity about errors. So I will take separate class for rectification of errors. Then how you are going to choose, is it omission or original entry or compensating error, reversal. There are some keywords. That keywords also I will mention over there. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this concept. Please subscribe and comment. Any doubts you can message me. Definitely I will explain in the next class.